Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this tutorial, we'll be going through derivation tree or parse tree. So basically, we have just gone through derivation. So in that, we have gone through leftmost and rightmost. So this is nothing but the representation in terms of a graph. So it is a graphical representation for the derivation of the given production rules in the CFG. So instead of doing step by step, you can just directly do it in a simple graph. So but if you are doing in a graph, you should concentrate a lot, guys, because a single mistake you need to draw it again, or draw it with pencil and highlight it with pen again. That will be the best option for you. Okay, so it is a simple way, that's what I just told you, to show how the derivation can be obtained by a string in the production rule. It is also called as parse tree. Parse tree is nothing but, just a second. Okay, fine. Parse tree is nothing but the derivation tree. So few properties of this tree is the root node is always a node indicating the start symbol. The first node is nothing but the root node. The parent to each and every node, the topmost node is the root node. The derivation is read from left to right. So the reading of the string will be left to right. You'll be understanding all these properties when we are going through the problems. Don't worry, we'll be continuing in this lecture only. Don't worry. So the left node is always a terminal. Sorry, the leaf node, guys. Sorry for that. The leaf nodes. The leaf nodes are nothing but the bottom nodes, the bottom last layer nodes. So the interior nodes are always non-terminal. So you'll be understanding this. So basically, let us take a small example, guys. So I'll be just discussing in this lecture only. Okay, so production rule. So the given production rules are these things, and the input is this, and the given question is find LMD, leftmost derivation, rightmost derivation, leftmost derivation tree, rightmost derivation tree. Fine. Okay, so the leftmost derivation tree, E is equals to E plus E. Okay, so we need to find this, right? So initially, shall I solve, or you will be understanding, guys? It's your wish. Okay, I'll be solving it for you anyway. Okay, so we can draw the tree right here itself. LMD, RMD, so that you will be understanding, and I will be also practicing it once again. Okay, so A into B. So first we need A into B. So just observe that. And in both cases, we'll be taking E plus E as the initial. Okay, let us take this only as the initial. So E is equals to E plus E. So initially this E, okay, this E should be replaced with multiplication, E into E plus E, and this E will be replaced by A, and in the next step, A into B plus E and A into B plus C. So we reached the final node in this way. And similarly, guys, please don't forget to write the productions in the brackets, guys, so that the evaluator will be understanding what you are doing. Okay, so E plus E, E is equals to E plus, this will be further dividing, so that will be considering this E as C. And now let us divide E into E plus C, E into, in place of E, let us place B, C, in place of E, A into B plus C. Okay, so now we are just done with derivation, right? So now let us go through the parse trees. So parse tree is nothing but just using these steps you will be dividing as E. You divided into E, and E in between it is plus, right? Okay, for this E, what you did? For that E, you divided into E into E, right? After that, you divided this E as what you divided, guys? As A, and this as B, and this as C. So if you observe carefully from left to right, you'll be getting the exact equation, guys, if you observe it carefully. A into B plus C. So all these things, I'm just circling, right? So all these things are nothing but the leaf nodes. All these things are the leaf nodes, and these are the terminal symbols, whereas the symbols which I am doing square, those are the non-terminals which can be divided into terminals or non-terminals. So at the end, it is must that you should be having non-terminals. Sorry, at the end, that is nothing but the leaf node, you should have terminals. So and the initial will be starting with the starting symbol. So similarly for this, E plus E, directly we gave E. For this E we made C, divided here E into E. For this E I have just gave C, for this A. So similarly even in this situation you will be getting the same equation. So this is nothing but the derivation graphs or derivation tree or parse tree. So I hope everyone got a small idea on this. So in the next tutorial we will be going through the ambiguity in grammar. Guys, this is one of the most interesting topic, guys. So let us meet in the next tutorial. Thank you. Thanks for watching.